Welcome to our tutorial on how to add text on CapCut PC. 1. Create a new project in CapCut. Launch the CapCut on your PC and starts a new project. 2. Import the video. Now, import the video from your files. 3. Go to the text feature. Go to the text feature and add text to your video. In this feature, you can also see many other options, i.e. effects, add templates, auto captions, and many more. So you can do anything to your video according to your liking on the Customize Channel button located on the... Congratulations! You have learned how to add text on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching our guide.